Can we,
Your Honor.
Is that Judge Taylor? Hi, Judge.
okay.
Hi, Your Honor.
Hey, Attorney Hill, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Hi, Donnell, how are you doing, Mr. Checkway?
Fine. I saw you. I spoke to you.
I know, I saw you, I heard you, boo. It was a lot going on for me at one time. Sorry, I'm on live saying that, sorry.
We're gonna just call this really quickly. This is the people versus Ashton Ray, ticket number U 640-72222, count one. Appears semi-nude. Good morning, good afternoon. Please say your name for the record, starting with the people.
Stephen Morgan on behalf of the city of Detroit, Your Honor. We also have here Officer, please put your name on the record.
Yeah, it's Officer Ellie Glenn, Detroit Police Department, badge number 1346.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant, P68445. Just restate your name, please, for the record. Yes.
Ashton Ray.
Judge, my client is going to avail herself of the offer. It's going to be a 12-month delayed sentence, but I would like to actually establish the factual basis if I can.
Sure. Ms. Ray, raise your right hand, please.
Can you say it again?
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
You have to speak, okay?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 9th, April 5th, 2022 at 8:48 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near a location on or an address on John R. in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
I can give the address, 20222 John R. in the city of Detroit at Centerfold.
Yes.
May I finish? May I
Go
finish?
ahead. Yes. Sorry, go ahead.
It's okay. Centerfolds is a gentleman's club. Is that correct, Ms. Ray?
Yes.
Okay, and you were a dancer and entertainer at that establishment on that day?
Yes.
Okay, and there was a city of Detroit vice raid, correct, where they came in to do inspections? Is that accurate?
Yes.
Okay, and where were you located on the floor on that date and time when they came in?
Yes.
What were you wearing?
I was wearing a top, and then I was wearing a bikini bottom.
Okay, top and the bikini bottom. Did you also have a gown on?
Yes.
And was it from head to toe a gown, or was it something that was bit drift or anything like that?
Say it again.
Was it a full length gown?
It was like mid-length.
Mid-length, okay. And so you had this gown on. The issue is that the gown was partially see-through. Is that accurate?
Yes.
Okay, and you'd agree that an individual could partially see parts of your buttocks with this gown, even with this gown on. Would that be accurate?
Yes.
Okay, I'm satisfied.
Mr. Morgan, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
I would, is that accurate, Officer Elliot Glenn?
I just want to clear up several parts. One, it was not a raid. We did not conduct a raid of the location. We went in 5 members. We went in and did an inspection. We checked for a business license, make sure everyone had a dance card, make sure everyone was in compliance. A raid is something totally different. So I just want to educate her attorney on that.
Thank you.
Secondly, yes, she did have, when you have a wrap, you cannot have a see-through wrap. That defeats the purpose of having a wrap. So she did have a wrap, it was open. But I'm not done talking, so when I get done talking, sorry. I'm talking, sir.
With the factual basis?
That
we need to know.
Sir,
You're not a prosecutor. You're not a
I
prosecutor.
asked Mr. Hill, I asked him to speak because we went through the facts and I just want to make sure
So the
that,
question, are you satisfied?
not
don't want
yet. I am not satisfied yet, sir.
Well, then you ask the questions, not an officer.
You know what? I can
I
just
didn't
put it
ask
on the record.
questions.
You cannot ask questions. This isn't trial. We play.
We're not asking her questions.
I didn't ask questions.
Are you satisfied with the factual basis, Mr. Morgan? Yes or no?
He's already indicated that he wasn't satisfied. I don't think he has to answer your questions, Mr. Hill, but Mr. Morgan's already indicated he's not satisfied. Mr. Morgan, did you want to voir dire Ms. Ray?
Thank you,
They will-
Judge.
No, I do not want to voir dire Ms. Ray. I think that I believe that the facts have been established that satisfy, the violation. At this point, I do believe that we have that information on the record. All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so with that, the court will accept the admission to count one, appear semi-nude, and will proceed to sentencing. This is going to be a 12-month delayed sentence. I'm sure it's been explained to you, Ms. Ray, that the court will hold this under advisement for 12 months. You have to pay a fine. It'll be a fine of $200, and you can't get any more tickets or citations. So essentially, no further police contact. When you come back on January 20th at 8:35, that will be your next court date. And if you've done all that's been asked of you, this will be dismissed off your record. Did you have any questions?
No.
Was there anything further on behalf of the party?
No, thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Nothing further on behalf of the city. Thank you.
Thank you. You're all set. Good luck.
All right, thank you
Is
all.
that Your Honor?
Thank you. All right, let me call this really quick, Mr. Morgan. There was a Damaris Davis set for a formal hearing. He's on the phone. This is the People versus Damaris Davis. The officer was not present. Ticket number SP 9639997. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Ms. Bradfield, can you just stand in for this? Good morning. Please state your names for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578 on behalf of the client.
All right, thank you. This was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's 1:25, and no officer has appeared, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I just want to add, Ms. Bradfield, I had a half day this morning, so I just saw your email. I didn't read it, but I apologize that I hadn't had an opportunity to respond.
It's no problem. It was rectified. No problem.
Okay, thank you.